to subscribe as a student. So before your dashboard, you have a place to go premium and click to subscribe, or just by the sidebar button here, you can get pro and you can click that. So I'm going to use that. On click on subscribe, it brings you to the 3 available subscription plans, which we have monthly, yearly, and biannual. Monthly being 2,000, yearly 15,000, and biannual being 8,000. So I'm going to click on the monthly subscription plan. So all you need to is you can get to see access to all subjects or your customized subject now for 1 month, access to the subject years, and then the performance tracking metrics. Proceed to payment. We have 2 different payment gateways on the platform, either the CRB or the unified payment. So you can just click to proceed to payments. On click of proceed to payments, you will see a payment summary, proceed to payment finally, and then this redirects you to the payment platform interface for you to enter your card details and finally make your payments. Alright, so you can enter your card details, make the payment, and once payment is successfully done, you see a message letting you know that payment is successful, which redirects you back to your dashboard. In the next video, we're going to see the dashboard of a user who has finally made payments. Thank you.